How to add your face on trending AI images. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can add your face on trending AI images. So let's get started. So first things first, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using Bing. That's right, we're going to be using Microsoft Edge, and what we're going to be doing is we're just simply going to come over here and search for images, and over here we want to click on images. It's going to open up another tab, and then what we want to do is we want to click on create, and over here what we want to do is we want to describe what we like. So a realistic image of a red fox, a colorful panda, whatever we want to do. Let's go ahead and click on join and create. Now we have to use our Microsoft account to sign in. So let me just go ahead and do that. And once you are signed in, you are good to go. Now you can just simply go ahead and type whatever you want in this section right here, and you will have 15 credits right here, as you can see. So let's go ahead and try to find some images or text. Let's say surprise me. Let's see what it comes up with. If it comes up with a random image, we'll just change. We'll move on. But if it not, we'll have to add our own prompts. That does not look good. Okay, I'm going to add my own. Let's go ahead and do that. We'll click on create. I just wrote an image of a Superman. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, these looks really nice. So as you can see down below, you can even see what type of software they use. So this is from DALL-E 3 and this is from Designer. So we're going to choose this image. It's going to open up another tab, and we can go ahead and download this image as well. So here we go. So we have this image. I'm just simply going to put it here. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and go to another website called, here is the website called remaker.ai. So we want to come over here and we want to click on face swap, and we want to choose what type of image we want to swap it with. So let's say we want to upload the image right here, and now we just simply upload the image that we want to swap with. So let's choose Harry Potter, or we choose Harry Potter and swap it with Superman. Let's see what we get. I wanted to do it other way around, but let's see what we get. And here we go. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. It's not quite as good, but I think this because of the background and the image that I chose, but it does work. So you can select whichever image you want and swap your face with it. So as you can see, it works. So remember, go to Bing, go to images, create the image, and then come over here onto remaker.ai and swap your faces. And that is it. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care. Goodbye.